Hello and welcome to our video demonstration for the Readiris PDF 23. We'll be discussing how to use the zoning features to fine-tune the results for word processing or Excel output. Readiris PDF is a PDF and OCR software that converts your scans or image-based documents to actual text-based files. In so doing, it inspects the content of the document for text, table, graphic and barcode information. These treatments can be viewed and adjusted by clicking on the Zones button on the left toolbar and sliding the zone switch on. By clicking on a zone in the left panel or on the document, you can move, resize, and then change the treatment in the right panel. If you delete a zone, then that information will not appear in the output. Particularly with logos or graphics which have text intermixed with pictures, the whole graphic should be treated as an image without text, so it arrives intact. On this first image, we want to change the header to an image by clicking on it and selecting Image in the right panel. We want to do the same for the next graphic and capture it as a single image zone. Select the first unneeded zone and hold down the Shift key. Then select the last zone and right-click and choose Delete or use the Delete key on your keyboard. Then go to the Edit tab and click on Create Zone and draw a box around the graphic. Confirm the type in the right panel. On this last image, we can delete all the zones and draw a new one, or just delete the unneeded ones. On this image, the black borders and extra text need to be removed. First, identify which zone we want by clicking on it. We'll then hold down the Control key and select the zones to remove. Then right-click and choose Delete. On the Home tab, click the Word icon to output to a clean Word file where the graphics arrive intact and unneeded black borders are eliminated. See us on social media and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/irislink.